Go and tell an orphan. Imagine what could be if you forgot that your parents died. Just forget about it. And make believe you had parents. Oh, that's a great idea. I'll just make believe I had parents, and I'll be unburdened by the past, and then what could be? And then I could have had parents. Really? In whose world does that work? Not in our world. So of course we're going to be burdened by our past. And I mean, we probably should be burdened by our past. If you have an ability to learn the lessons of history, you probably should, because otherwise you're going to repeat the same mistakes again and again. And of course, it's never exactly the same, so it's so easy for us to repeat the same mistakes again and again, because if it would be exactly the same, at least that much of intelligence we'd have. But Hashem makes it a little challenging, so it looks like it's a little different this time. And you look back and say, you know what? That was actually the same thing. That was really the same thing. It looked different on the surface, but inherently it was the same thing. Okay. So we are very much burdened or privileged by our past. It very much influences our future and our present. However, it is impossible to blame your lack of observance of Yiddishkeit on somebody else. Let me rephrase that. You can blame whoever you want. It's impossible to actually get away with that, because we have to answer someday to Hashem. And a person will say, well, I didn't keep mitzvahs, I didn't study in Torah. You know why?